Check this out, folks. I just got this from Dave, one of the heroes of all this. Put himself in the line of fire and ran across this whole field filming. And thank God he did. Isn't that funny? Look at the grass. I want you guys to start looking at the grass and the clouds. Yes, I know I'm called Chemtrail Warrior. Yes, I stare at the sky a lot. There's a reason for it. It's right before the shooting. Check out what he captured. A drone. Boom! Good job, Dave. Absolutely. Great job. There's the cop. He's running around. Around the roof. There's no drones. Really? What is that? Bam! It's a drone, people. Don't tell me the FCC didn't have any drones. There it is. Alright, thanks for listening. Share this everywhere.